Welcome class 9th. In my previous video, I told you about when the indefinite article is used. Indefinite article a or an. Today we will be doing when the indefinite articles are not used. First point is, see, when the noun is uncountable. When we cannot count the noun. Now of course I told you that a or an means one. So when the noun is uncountable, we cannot count it, then the indefinite article cannot be used. See the example, my new chair is made of wood. Wood you cannot count, you cannot say a wood. But it can be used before the uncountable noun. Same uncountable noun when we imply a comparison between an uncountable noun and others of the same kind. For example, see, a cloth of this quality is very expensive. I can say a wood of this quality is very expensive. A purer water, of course you cannot count water, but we say a purer water than this does not exist. A purer water than the water of AquaGuard does not exist. Now when a noun is the name of a meal, for example, see the example, we had breakfast at 7 o'clock. You don't say we had a breakfast, but if we use the name of the meal in the sense of a party, then the same indefinite article is required. There is going to be a dinner for the old boys of the school. So see the difference. Then point C, there is no plural of the indefinite article. For a or an, there can be no plural, but what are used? We use some or any. In the same, they are the same equivalent of the plural for a or an. For example, I saw a cow in the field. I saw some horses in the field. For a cow, you say a cow, but the plural for a will be some. I saw some horses in the field. She ate an orange. An means one, but for the plural of it, she didn't eat any bananas. So see, some or any are substituted for the plural of a or an. Next is, if we want to emphasize the singleness of the uncountable noun, then we want to emphasize the, suppose we want to emphasize the singleness, then we must put in front of it a phrase like a piece of, a pound of, a bottle of. See the example, would you like some coffee? Yes, I would like a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. You cannot say yes, I would like a coffee. You say a cup of coffee. We don't need any tea. I bought a kilogram of tea yesterday. You cannot say I bought a tea. You say a kilogram of tea or a jar of tea, anything, a box of tea, but not I bought tea. You cannot say that I bought one tea or two tea. You say I bought a kilogram or 2 kilogram of tea yesterday. Now see children, before little and few also we use the indefinite articles. See how they are used. Little means nothing at all. Now little comes for uncountable nouns, whereas few comes for uncountable nouns. For little, see the difference. Though there seems to be no difference, but there is hell of a difference. See, little, a little and the little. Little has a negative meaning. It means hardly any. Hardly any, or we can say not at all. Like little did they know of the danger. This means they did not know about the danger at all. They did not know about it at all. A little means a small amount. Small amount of, a little water was available after the drought. Water is uncountable, so we say a little. A little means a small amount of water was available. If I say little water was available, it means no water was available. But when I say a little water was available, it means some water was available. Then the third is the little. The little, the meaning is a small amount but whole of it. Try to understand this. The little. See the example first. The little water available after the drought was given only to children. The little means, of course, a small amount of, but the implies the whole of it. The whole of that small amount which was available means though it was a small amount, but the whole of it was given only to children. Similar rules applies for few, a few, and the few. They are for countables. Few people can keep a secret. Few people means no, nobody at all. It implies a negative meaning. He has a few close friends. A few close friends means some. He has some close friends. He lost the few friends he had. The few friends means already he had less friends, less in number, but he has lost all of them. The few, though he had some, but all of them, the few, he lost all of them, the whole amount of it means here the whole number of it, the whole. So all the friends he had lost. Now see children, this much for your indefinite article a or an. Now coming to the definite article. Definite article the. The is known as the definite article, and it is known as the definite article because it points out towards something or someone in particular. See, when it is used, when the noun is known to the reader or to the listener. Noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. Whenever, whatever we are talking about, when it is already known to the listener or to the reader, like for example, the shirt I am wearing was gifted by my cousin. The shirt I am wearing means this particular shirt, pointing out toward a particular shirt I am wearing, was given to me by my cousin. When there is only one in existence, one of its kind. For example, the sun has risen high. There is only one sun, so the sun. The sea covers a large part of earth. So the sea, the whole amount, lot of the body of water. See point, when the reader or listener knows which one is referred to, means it has already been mentioned. We already know what we are talking about, the noun. So then we use the. Give me the book. Give me the book. If I say give me a book means any book, but when I say give me the book means the book I am talking about is already known to whom I am telling. For example, it can be that is the book we are talking about which you borrowed, which is kept there, which is mine. Next example, you can see the office closes at 6. The office. So we are talking about a particular office, not any office. That is, we can say the one we are in, where I work, or which we are going to in the afternoon, etc. So the particular office. Point D, before adjectives or participles to represent a class of the people. Class of people, like example, the scheme is meant for the poor, the area is inhabited by the rich, the poor, the rich, they represent a class of people. It is not any particular poor we are talking about, any particular rich, but the whole class of the poor people who represent the poor people, and the whole class which represent the rich people. Then point E, before oceans, seas, rivers, deserts, all geographic names. For example, see the Atlantic, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Thar Desert, the river, the Ganges, the Ganga. So all these names, before these geographic names, we always use the definite article the. When the name of a country consists of an adjective plus a noun, then the definite article is required unless the adjective is noun, south, east, west, upper, lower, great, greater, or new. See the examples. The United Kingdom, the United Arab Republic, the United States of America. So you can see the adjective United plus the noun Kingdom. We always use the. Now children, there is something to remember also. North Korea, Upper Volta, Great Britain, New Zealand, they do not take the before them. And try to memorize this. There are 3 countries with one word names like the which take the definite article. There are just 3 countries, one word names. Take the definite article. Then these countries are the Lebanon, the Congo, the Netherlands. You don't say the India. You don't say the Pakistan, but the Lebanon, the Congo, the Netherlands. These are the 3 countries which take the name with the definite article the, the. Also see the North Pole, the South Pole, but we don't say the East, the West. So the North Pole, the South Pole, the poles also take, the North and South poles take the definite article before their name. Now see point G. When we refer to the name of hotels, cinemas, theatres and ships. See the example, he usually stays at the Taj Hotel, the Taj. We went to the PVR last night to see a movie, but the PVR. Vasco da Gama rounded the Cape of Good Hope and ventured into the Indian Ocean, the Cape of Good Hope, the Indian Ocean. All these geographic names take the definite articles before them. Before ordinal numbers which make the noun definite. First, second, third, all these are ordinal numbers. The first thing we must add to the recipe is flour. The second summit of the organization was held in December. So, all these ordinal numbers take the definite article before them. Now, with superlative adjective which make the noun definite. Superlatives we all know. The degrees of comparison, the third degree of comparison, superlative degree always will take the before it. See the example, of all the girls in the competition, she is the most beautiful. Most, much more, most. Much is the positive degree, more is the comparative degree, most is the superlative degree. So superlative degree takes the before it. He gave me the latest phone. Last, later, latest. But note, when the word most, when the word most is used in the sense of very or majority, then it is not a superlative and does not require the definite article. Try to understand this point. Here the meaning of most is not used in the superlative degree. It means very. Like for example, I find this story most interesting. Most interesting, very interesting. I have read most of the articles in this magazine. Most here means majority of the articles. Now, the is used with adjectives which are used as nouns. For example, see, the sick and the lame must be shown mercy. The young have to support the old. So here the adjectives are used as nouns. So we use the before them. Next and last, normally particularize. Particularize, they point to something particular. The next question is the last one in the list. So both are used over here. The next question. Suppose I tell you, the next exercise I am going to take up is going to be quite easy for you to solve. The next exercise is given at the last page of this book. So you see the next and the last. The is omitted when next and last refer to the period immediately before or after the present. So it is not always that next and last will always take, but when the period immediately before or after the present, we do not take it. Like for example, Jane got married last week. You don't say the last week. Jim is getting married next week. You don't say the next week. When the with a singular countable noun represents a whole class of the things. The elephant lives longer than most animals. This we have done with a or an also. We can say with the indefinite articles also we have taken up this example, children. An elephant is a useful animal. An elephant is a useful animal. There, an elephant does not mean one elephant. It signifies the whole class of elephants. Here also, similarly, the elephant, we are using the elephant, lives longer than most animals. Here again, we do not mean to say one particular elephant, but the whole class of elephants. The atomic bomb was invented in 1944. Again, the atomic bomb is symbolic of all the atomic bombs which was invented. The first of all, it was invented in 1944. The whole class of it. Then with the name of most newspapers and magazines. Most newspapers, not all. The Times of India, the Illustrated Weekly, the Statesman, or we don't say, for example, India Today. We don't say the India Today. The name of the magazine is India Today. So it is with most newspapers and magazines. Then before the name of certain well-known books also. Not all books, well-known books. The Bible, the Vedas, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Arabian Nights, the Panchtantra. So before, again, the is used before plural proper names such as name of peoples. Peoples here we mean to say nations and the families. For example, you say the Italians live in Italy. The English are fond of adventure. Again, something to note. We say the English but Englishmen. We don't say the Englishmen. We say the French but Frenchmen. We don't say the Frenchmen. So see how the definite article is used before these plural proper names. Then we use the also before comparatives in constructions like these. See the example, the more it rains, the worse the roads will be. More is a comparative degree of much, worse is the comparative degree of bad. So with both, the more it rains, the worse the road will get. The older he gets, the more difficult it is for him to find a job. So the definite article the is used before comparatives in constructions like these. So children, till here I will take up my next, I will complete this chapter in my next video. Till then, try to revise both the video, whatever content is given in both the videos, and try to understand. Goodbye till then.